Motoville posse, yo, we're growing. I appreciate the support. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and remember, you guys are the MVP. Yeah. Gonna be going up to Hollyoaks today. Got the old 125 two-stroke.
Tighten this thing and twist it. So
Cody, shout out to YouTube.
Come on, Cody 96, at me, baby, let's get it.
Cody 96, shout out to YouTube.
G-Lane 95, what up?
G-Lane 95, what up? Shout out to YouTube.
Motor City Moto.
Hey, Moto City Moto. Go give my boys a follow.
Let's get it.
That's money, bro. That was nasty!
It's a freestyle truck, dude.
Hell yeah, man.
Hey, that shit's sick. Hey, that's a tough landing.
Chase, your turn.
I wish, man.
If you come in at a steady, slow speed, you're literally just riding off it. If you're not jumping it, like, you don't hear it, it's really just a ride off. If you let go of the gas, you're gonna know.
I think that's what I would do.
If you don't, you just really steady throttle right up it. It's this momentum.
You don't give a little at the end?
Nothing.
Like,
steady, watch. A little, but not like, it's literally just nothing. I can't believe you ain't hitting it. It's literally just riding.
I didn't air my tire out, dude. That bitch a taco in a heartbeat.
I want to hit it, but
this is easier.
I should probably start with a little jump.
This is easier.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this is by far easier than anything.
This isn't a jump. This is riding off a platform.
Yeah,
You're
right.
really just riding.
Don't hit your brakes at the end.
You just ride. It's just simple.
Just stay smooth, lean back.
But hey, both gonna hit at the same time?
Yeah.
That's gonna be dope. Hit it.
Hell no. I ain't fucking with these crazy white boys.
Hell no. I should have brought my truck back here.
For real, dude.
That shit sounds so good.
Right?
Oh.
Son of a bitch. Yo, this Hummer's out cold.
joke. Hey, did you see the car lot full of Broncos on the way here?
Yeah, know I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
What's up, posse? We out here at Holly Oaks today. There's something here to have fun for everyone. You got the Jeeps out here, dirt bikes out here, everything. Bring it out here and have fun. I actually brought the dirt bike in the back of the Cummins. Thinking about bringing that back here.
Ride the top of this like single track, that's just sick.
Yo, you got to be prepared. Hold on, let me zoom in on there.
I got you.
Put it away, put it away.
Chase.
Conceal.
I got you. Look.
Holy shit.
Got him all over.
Look at they. Bitch. Got to be prepared. Cody, what do you got?
Cody, what do you got?
Hey.
Baby, we out here getting it.
Get it. Look at this place though. Look at this place. Holly Oaks.
I'm thinking on getting them bars. Those big.
I know.